Love. It's one of the most powerful emotions we experience. It can make you feel on top of the world or break you into pieces. But have you ever wondered why love feels the way it does? Psychology has the answers. Here are some mind-blowing psychology facts about love that might change the way you see relationships forever. First, love works like a drug on the brain. When you fall in love, your brain releases dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, creating an emotional high. That's why being with someone you love feels addictive, why heartbreak can feel like withdrawal. Second, your heart reacts before your mind does. Studies show that your body often knows you're in love before you consciously realize it. Your heart rate increases just by being near the person you're drawn to. Third, eye contact can make someone fall for you faster. Psychologists discovered that holding eye contact for longer than for seconds increases emotional connection and attraction. It's a silent love language that goes deeper than words. Fourth, love changes your priorities. When you're truly in love, your brain naturally focuses on protecting and prioritizing that person, even above your own self-interest sometimes. Fifth, love literally reduces physical pain. Research shows that thinking about someone you love triggers brain regions that reduce stress and discomfort, acting almost like a natural painkiller. Sixth, heartbreak activates the same brain regions as physical pain. That's why losing someone or going through a breakup just feel emotional. It hurts physically. Seventh, long-term love is built on emotional safety, not just passion. Passion may start the fire, but trust, consistency, and emotional connection are what make love last for years. Love is beautiful, complicated, and deeply psychological. When you understand how it works, you can protect your heart, recognize real love, and create relationships that don't just feel good, but truly last.